Kids TV.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cake. D for donut. E for egg. F for fish. G for gun. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for key. L for lamp. M for moon. N for nest. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rope. S for sunflower. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.